smartphones, computers, TV, stress, nutritional imbalance, poor eating habits. Modern people are exposed to these conditions. Our eyes' functions are declining. Lack of nutrition can also cause eye functions to decline. The human body needs added supplements for lutein to be effective. Vitamin A for vision in the dark. Atomy Eye Lutein contains lutein and vitamin A. Other ingredients: bilberry, cowberry, blueberry, blackcurrant, elderberry, and aronia. For those who are losing vision to aging. For those who drive a lot in the dark. For those who work a lot with computers. For those who like to watch TV. For healthy eyes. Atomy Eye Lutein.